Hi everyone. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to prep your PC to run SysMark and submit your results to the BAPCO website. The first step in prepping your system is to back up your image. So let's do that now. You can choose any backup software you want, so long as you're able to create a restorable image of your system drive. For this demo, I'll be using Drive Image XML. So I'll open the software. I'm going to go to the Backup tab. I'll choose the C drive, hit Next, and then Next again. Then I'm going to choose where I want the backup image to be saved. So I'm going to go to the C drive, backup, and then I'm just going to name it as my backup image. Then I'll hit next and then let it do its thing. You'll get a pop-up that says the path you want to save it in doesn't exist and if you want to create one. You'll go ahead and select yes, and then it'll start creating a backup of your PC image. To save time, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up, and bam, the backup completed successfully. Now I can close this, and if I go to my C drive, click on backup, you'll see the my backup image folder is there. So that's the first step you want to complete before installing SysMark. The next thing you want to do after you backed up your image is to uninstall any applications that may conflict with the SysMark installation. SysMark has all the applications included in the benchmark to generate a score. So if you have any of them installed on your computer, you have to remove them. Otherwise, you'll get a fail when you try to install SysMark. So let's go into our control panel, go into programs, and then get rid of some of these. So WinZip, I'm going to go ahead and uninstall. And then you can go through and see what other applications need to be uninstalled. You can always reference the SysMark user guide on the BAPCO website, or to make it easy, just reference this list here. And once you've gone through and uninstalled any of these pre-existing applications, you're going to go ahead and reboot. And when your system comes back up, we can go ahead and move on to the next step. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to run SysMark. Thanks for watching.